Hey guys, today is December the 16th of 2013 and I want to go over the euro and just give you my thoughts and my opinions. But know that this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. I just gives you my ideas, my thoughts, what I see in the charts using geometry, using esoteric formulas and forecasting, and then you decide what's best for you. Take the good, throw away the bad. With that being said, let's get into the charts. All right, so let's start with our economic day. Today we have the dragon speaking at 8 a.m. Central Time. Draghi. You can see that the French PMI was kind of negative, not that bad. German PMI was good. Flash services negative. Uh, Flash services PMI was pretty good on the euro, and then Flash services PMI was off by 5. So yeah, not that bad. It was kind of mixed. And trade balances a little negative. Tally trade balances was positive. So that's what we have right now. And then 8 o'clock a.m. Central Time, Draghi speaks. So let's see what he has to say. In regards to commitments of traders report, you see that on the 13th, we have like a cross setting here. We got the commercial, which is the blue, selling, hedging, and we got the large speculators buying here, and this hasn't crossed here yet. This is the index, and this is the net positions. This is pretty much the more positions. This is the most important, this second, and then this is sentiment pushing down. So I just wanted to show you that I think Tuesday we'll get another indication showing us where this blue one is pushing lower. That means that the euro wants to go higher. They're hedging against the euro and it's going higher. That's what I kind of see. And speculators. And then the red one is pretty much the retail, you and me. We're kind of there. You can see it here. We're starting to like build up a bullish position with the large speculators, and the blue one, commercial, like I said, they're selling against this bullish trend, and they're, I believe, hedging. So that's that. Let's get into the charts. Okay, so you see we have a big bull kicker right here. Blew all these stops that went high here, so we're kind of stuck. We put the Gann bar swing, and you see that we're still in the uptrend, bullish, still pushing up. All this you see right here, these are stops. So it's just letting me know where the stops are at, and certain people are trailing them up. So that's where we at. So I kind of believe that we're going to do a wave 5 and then finish off the year, I believe, positive. That's what I'm seeing. There's nothing else to show in regards to retracement, because this is the high and you're above the 25%, so you're in this range right here. Something major has to happen for it to do something, either go up or down, either news or whatever. So that's where we're at. It's kind of like in a range rut, you know. Let's look at the calendar. My Gann emblem, I still got the 19th as a watch, and the 13th you see the action already. It got a nice little doji to the upside and did a pop. So that was that. So the next date is 19. If we look at my square of 9 and time, we have the 16 right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vibration level right there. And 16th is right here from the swing low. This is the swing high of the 38.31. So you got the 12.16 right there on a grid, and you got the 12.16 on the right on the grid from a pivot low. So this could probably be just pretty much a resistance day if it doesn't get above that level. And then the next day would be the 19th, and that's the one I have my eye on. You look at the hex, you're at the 16, so you're right here, you're on the grid. And if you look at the 16 right here, you're at you're like a resistant angles right there. And that's it. I don't think there's anything else. 16th, It gets confusing sometimes trying to find these numbers. Okay, 16th right here, so you're at an angle right there. So it could play either resistance or support. As of right now, it's looking like resistance because they can't get any higher than what's that price high? 37.97. I'm gonna show you why I think it's 37.97 is a problem on the euro. If we can get higher, and this one is right here, 12.16. So these are from the pivot low, pivot highs. Let's get into the chart. Okay, as you see, pound is creeping higher, higher. Norway's positive. The Aussie, and we're just starting right now. It's like 727. So that's the map against the USD. That's what we have going on. Let's get some real estate. So right now you see that we're popping up here, and we can't. We're trying to stay above this angle right here, but we can't. This is my grid. We need to close positive up here and actually knock this high out, which is that 38.10 to continue going higher. I guess my next resistance will be the 38.32. But I'm going to show you why we're having a problem with that 37.97 area, or 38.10 if you want to call it. My monthly grid, mind you, this is all monthly candles. Look at this angle right there. That angle is a problem. As you can see, it's hit it here, failed, support, failed, support, failed, and we're here again. That 30.97, 38.10, we need to get above there and push higher. We're going to go higher. Just wanted to show you that. If we look at the, let's glance this chart. Also wanted to show you something maybe I haven't shown you in a while. My seasonality chart on the euro. I guess it's not working. I must have done something and deleted it. It normally does show up. Anyway, let's glance this chart. I think I know what happened. So you can see we're in this box right here. The high is at 37.10. The low is 37.08. So we're just dancing around here. You're above all the simple moving averages. The 20, the 50, Cajun, Tenkins right here. So everything's looking good. We just got to push higher. But if you look at the monthly, this is where we have a problem with the euro. The Kumo cloud. It's right above here. And we're trying to push higher. And as of right now, we're dancing at that 37, what is that, 37.77. You're above it. And you're hitting the linear regression line right here. So, but you got that 50% level right up there waiting for you too. So there's a couple of resistance here. So we got to see how the euro is going to behave. Let's look at the big picture, see if we see anything there. Hope I didn't forget anything. Nope. I think I did. So this is my monthly, weekly, daily, and 12-hour. You see that the 12-hour, it's getting a good Momo. You got a buy signal with the PPS. TMA's positive. And this is kind of divergent right there. You see the snapback, beautiful play. The big spread right there. So we just came right back up. So that was a good play. You got the cycle now to the upside. So that's strength. You're above the MMG, pushing higher. So that's good. And this is not looking too good. And that's not looking too good either. On the daily, you got the full moon coming up. Still full, positive. A little divergence there. You got the snapback set up here too. But you got the cycle to the downside on the daily, so that's not good. This is turning, that's negative, and that's positive. Now on the weekly, nothing's really changed. You're still strong to the upside, and on the monthly, same thing. Everything is looking higher. So the only thing negative here is the TTM shortwave hasn't turned, and the Fisher signal is to the downside. So you got two negative, and everything else is positive. and on the 12-hour, you pretty much have maybe just 2 negative, and everything else is positive. So my bias is to the upside. Got my stop really tight, and because today is one of those days that could turn on you. And 16th, 19th, those are the dates I have in my calendar to keep an eye on the euro. And that's about it. So hope this helped, and good trading, make some pips, and I'll see you again in the next video. Peace.